And we are live. Hey everyone.
Hi.
Hi,
Hello.
everyone.
Hi everyone.
Everyone doing? Thank you for joining us this evening. We're thrilled to have you here, everyone. Thank you so much for coming on. Yes, whether you're tuning in live or watching the replay, we're grateful you're here. So I'm Daisy, and today we have a fantastic session planned out for you on how you can start your own online business. So even if you're a complete beginner. So yes, we'll be diving into our business model, showing you exactly how this works and covering some, oh my goodness, I'm nervous. Showing you exactly how this works and covering some of the most frequently asked questions that we get from people who are interested in starting on online business with us. So yes, get comfortable and because there's a lot of value packed into today's session. Si Shital?
Hello, everyone. So great to see you all here. And today's topic is all about creating additional income in a flexible way that works around your schedule. We've got an incredible system to share with you that's accessible, affordable, and most importantly, proven to work. So if you're ever thought about starting a business, this is the place to be.
Hi, everyone. My name is Tess, and we're here to introduce you to a system that's already changed lives around the world. And guess what? You don't need prior experience or tech skills to get started. We'll guide you every step of the way.
Hi, hello everyone. I'm Cheryl. We're so happy to have you with us today. This isn't just a business opportunity, it's a proven system designed by the experts for everyday people like you and me. If we can do it, trust me, so can you.
Hi everyone. And I'm Henry. Thanks for joining us. If you have been looking for ways to earn extra income or even start a full-time business without leaving your day job, you are in the right place. We are going to break down exactly how to make that happen.
Yes, now before we dive into all the details about this business, we are so excited to have a very special guest with us today, Sis Marilo. Sis Marilo is one of the true leaders in our community. She's been so instrumental in helping organize meetups, especially in Ireland here. And her never ending support for everyone is just immeasurable. So, Ms. Marilo, it's such a pleasure to have you here with us today. Thank you for joining us.
Hi, thank you,
Hi, Sis
Thank you,
Mary.
everyone, and thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Hi, everyone. Thank you, Sis Daisy. I'm so excited to be here with you all. It's such an honor to be part of this amazing community. And honestly, when I first came across this opportunity, I had no idea what to expect. But now, seeing the support, the tools, and the community, I can't imagine my life without it. And organizing meetups and events and to bring us all together in person is very rewarding experience. And I love being able to help people just like you that take that first step towards our success. Thank you.
Thank you, Sis Marlo. We absolutely love what you've done for the community. Like you've been such an inspiration, and your dedication is truly appreciated. I know many people have been looking forward to hearing from you today. And yes, we'd love for you to share more about your journey and how did you first get started with this business and what has your experience been like?
Yeah, sure. So when I first got started, I was looking for something that would give me flexibility, something I could do alongside my other commitments. And the best part, this business doesn't require a huge what's that the huge investment to get started. which is really appealed to me. The support from the community has is amazing. From day one, I had people by my side guiding me, and I've been able to replicate the system step by step. Yes, so it's really amazing business. The support system is incredible. I love it, love it, love it. Thank you.
That's so inspiring, Sis Marlo. You've definitely shown us the power of community meetups. Um, it's been such a game changer for us. For so many, we meet so many people, like from all walks of life, the nurses and everybody else. So yes, and it's great to hear how the system works for someone just starting out, even with a busy schedule.
Yeah. Yeah, so can I add, we all support each other, whether it's through organizing meetups and online events. It's a beautiful thing to be part of a system wherever you go, where you never be alone in this business. And honestly, seeing all people started with no experience at all, this flourishing and reaching their goals. That's what really makes me proud to be part of this business. Thank you. Sorry, I just want to add that one on. Sorry.
Okay, sis, thank you.
Can you hear me? I think I'm breaking out so much. So, mm, my signal is
Yeah,
not
it's
good.
fine at the moment. So yeah, there's thank you for sharing that, sis. You've highlighted one of the key aspects of community and support. Now let's dive into core of the business model or of our business model rather. Uh, Sis Marilo touched on how you don't need to have everything figured out from the start, and that's because this system is designed to be simple and effective.
Yeah, that's right, Sis Daisy. That's right. First, we provide all the sales tools that you need. This includes everything from websites and landing pages to automated sales funnels. You don't have to worry about coding or designing anything. It's all done for you. You just plug into the system and it starts working for you.
Yeah, that's true. Next is the system itself. This is a step-by-step process designed by experts to help people succeed regardless of their experience. You don't have to guess what the next step is because the system guides you through everything, just like having a mentor by your side.
Yeah, you're right, Tess. And the training is amazing. You get access to the video tutorials, live webinars, and support from a community of successful business owners. This is where the real transformation happens. You learn exactly what you need to do to run your online business effectively and avoid common mistakes that hold people back.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And you are never alone in this. We
Mm.
have a built-in system where you can connect with other people who are on the same journey. Whether you need advice, motivation, or just someone to answer your questions, there's always someone there to help.
Thank you, everyone, for sharing all that golden nuggets about our business. Now, let's jump into some of the questions we frequently hear from people who are thinking about starting their online business. These are some of the questions that can really make a difference when deciding whether this business is the right fit for you. So, yes, I'll pass the floor to you, Henry and Cheryl.
Yeah, all right. Let's get started with the first question we get all the time. Can you tell me more about this business?
Uh, of course, this business model is all about promoting high ticket digital products using a proven system. You don't need to create any products or deal with customers directly. Everything is set up for you. The system is designed for people of all backgrounds and it provides the sales tools, training, and community support to help you succeed. Your main role is to follow the system and implement the training.
And we have the question number two. Is this pyramid scheme or a scam? Great question, is it? One that we get asked a lot is this a pyramid scheme or a scam? Sis Marilu, I love you to share your thoughts about this.
Absolutely. This is not a pyramid scheme. Pyramid scheme typically involve people making money by recruiting others with no real products or service
Mhm.
being sold. In this business, you're promoting actual business, and we are promoting our digital product, and your income is based on the sales you make and not by simply recruiting others. The beauty of it is that everyone has the potential to succeed based on their efforts, and there are no hidden fees or secret tricks. It's a legitimate
Mhm.
business opportunity. Thanks, Cyril.
Yeah, that's right.
What work?
Yeah.
The question 3 now.
Mhm.
What work is involved in this? Now let's answer the question. What work is involved in this program? Can Tess answer
Um,
that, please?
yeah, I'll answer that question, Brother Henry. The work involved is straightforward but requires consistency. You'll need to follow the training modules, set up your system with the tools we provide, and start implementing the strategies to promote the business. The system is designed to be beginner friendly, so you don't need to be a tech expert. The most important thing is to stay committed and follow the process step by step.
And this, I think this is the very curious. Everybody's so curious with this. How soon will I start earning? So let us hear from Sis Daisy. How soon will I start earning, Sis Daisy?
Well, everyone's journey is a bit different, right? But the key here is that it depends on how quickly you implement the steps in our system. You can start seeing results as soon as you join or start promoting and selling our products. Well, we don't sell products, but our system does that for you. Some people start earning within a few weeks of starting the program or business, but remember, the important thing is consistency. If you stick to the system and follow through with the training, the results will come.
Yes.
So thank you,
Exactly,
Sister Cherry.
Daisy. Exactly, Daisy. The results can vary depending on the time and effort you invest. Some people are able to generate their first sale very quickly,
Mhm.
while for others, it might take a little longer. But one thing is certain, the more consistent you are in applying the system, the faster you can see progress.
That's true.
And question number 5. So, do I need to have any special skills or experience? So, this is also the first thing I have in mind when I started this business. So, these questions for Sis Tess and Daisy. This is the last question for today. Do I need to have any special skills or experience? Let's hear from Sis Tess first.
Thank you, Sis Shariel. Do I need to have any special skills or experience? Not at all. That's one of the best things about this business. It's designed for people with no prior experience or technical skills. The system is beginner friendly and the training walks you through every step. You don't need to be an expert in anything to get started. We provide all the tools, support, and guidance you need to succeed. So if you're coachable and willing to put in the effort, you're already halfway there. Sis Daisy?
Exactly. I had no prior experience when I started, like nothing at all, not even a brick and mortar business. I was just an employee, right? But yeah, and now I'm successfully running my own business. It's all about learning the system, applying the strategies, and connecting with the community for support. So as long as you're motivated to learn, you can absolutely do this.
Okay. So, we have our last question for our guest. Henry, take it away.
Yeah, Marilu,
Henry, yeah.
does this work if I'm not tech savvy?
Wow. I love that question, Bro Henry, because this question is always asked a lot. And
Yeah.
we have we have so many people in our community who had no technical skills before they started. I'm not even a tech savvy when I started this business. Everything is set up to be as user friendly as possible. And we offer comprehensive training. And nowadays, our training site is so amazing. I love it, love it. We can change it to our language as well. It's
Mhm.
so doable for everyone. Plus, there's always support available, so you'll never feel lost in this business. Just reach out. So that's how I tell to all the people who are asking that question. Thank you.
Thank you, Sis Marilo. Now that you've seen what's possible, we want to invite you to take the next step. Our no cost workshop is the best way to learn how to start your own online business using this proven system.
Yes, in just 90 minutes, you learn everything you need to know to make an informed decision. There's no obligation and it's completely free.
So for all those watching us right now, you can connect through us with our, like, just click the send message, or if you're viewing our pages, you can see our own website in there. You can go through the websites and just leave your name and email address, and you're going to receive the special link that will you'll be able to watch our free info session. Trust us, this could be the start of something incredible.
Thank you, sisters. Before we close our live session, I would like let's has in what you call it show these people or recognize our viewers. We have 1 million viewers and
Oh,
there's comments. So Maricel
Wow.
Smith, morning
that's my
everyone.
mentee.
Ah,
Thank
Oh,
you
Hi,
very
good
much.
sis.
Hi,
morning.
Marcel.
Hello, thank you for
Thank you very
tuning
much.
in. Sis Rose Rizal, Aurelio Raza. Oh my goodness, it's hard to
Hi, Rose.
hi,
Rose,
Sis
Hi, Rose.
Rose,
Thank you.
We're
Ireland.
neighbors.
neighbor.
We have,
Thank
yes,
Yes,
you.
neighbors.
but I haven't seen her yet because she's working in an ICU, I think. So she's
Oh,
a special area. So
Oh,
I
you're in
can
the
see.
same hospital, sis.
Yeah, we're in the same hospital, I
Oh,
think. Yeah. Yeah.
that's awesome.
Mm, yeah.
All right. Yeah. Thank you, viewers, for watching. And for those who are gonna watch the replay,
Mm,
please leave us a comment or tell us where you're watching from. So thank you
mm.
so much for spending your time with us today. We hope today's session has given you some clarity, um, motivation, and excitement about the possibilities ahead. So, starting your own online business might seem like a big step, but with the right system, our proven system, it's not only achievable, but life changing.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Remember that you don't need experience, just the right system, and we are here to guide you through it.
so go ahead and sign up for the workshop. We promise you won't regret it.
We're looking forward to seeing you there and helping you on your journey to success.
Thanks again for tuning in. Don't hesitate to drop your questions in the comments. We'll be here to answer them after the live session too.
And before we go, I just want to leave you with this. Every successful business owner had a moment where they decided to take that first step. And today, you could be it your moment. So the opportunity is here, and the system is ready for you to use. All you need to do is take action. We can't wait to see you at the workshop tonight. It's actually at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and we're excited to watch your journey unfold. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Thank you, everyone, and thank you to our special guest, Sis Marilo, for taking out your
Thank you.
time to join us this
Thank
evening.
you,
Thank you
Sis
so much.
Marilu.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Samuel.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
My pleasure, everyone. Thank you for having me. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.